ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேசாய நமக. ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மனே நமக. தசகம் 69, ஸ்லோகா 11. காமினீரிதிः யாமினீஷு खलु कामनीयकनिधे भवान् पूर्णसम्मदरसार्णवं कमपि योगि गम्यमनुभावयन् ब्रह्मशङ्करमुखानपीह पशुपाङ्गनासु बहुमानयन् भक्तलोकगमनीयरूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम्. Word by word meaning. He Kamaniya Kanidhe, O repository of all virtues, Bhavan, thou. Iti hi, in this very manner. Yaminishu, in the nights. Kaminihi, the women. Yogi Gamyam, attainable only by yogis. Kamapi, indescribable. Purna Sammadara Sarnavam, the ocean of infinite bliss. Anubhavayan, making them experience. Brahma Shankara Mukhan api, even in Brahma, Shiva and other gods. Iha, here. Pashupanganasu, towards these mere cowherd women. Bahumanayan Kalu, creating respect indeed. He Bhakta Loka Gamaniya Rupa, O thou who art accessible only to the devout. Kamaniya, most attractive one. Krishna, O Krishna. Mam Paripahi, protect me. Full meaning. O repository of all virtues, in this manner thou didst make these women experience in the nights infinite, indescribable bliss, which is attainable only by yogis, and didst create even in Brahma, Shiva and other gods respect for these mere cowherd women. O most attractive Lord, who art accessible only to the devout. O Krishna, protect me. Om Tat Sat.